Hello, today I'm going to show you how to calculate the integral of sine ln x divided by x dx. Okay, to solve this integral you need to use the substitution rule. So if you define ln x as u, and if you take the derivative from each side of the equation, you will get dx divided by x equal to du. Okay, that's the derivative of ln x will be dx divided by x. So if now all you need to do is to substitute these two expressions into this integral and rewrite that integral. So you'll get integral of sine, instead of ln x I write u because ln x was defined as u, times instead of dx divided by x, that is dx divided by x, I write du. And we know that the integral of sine u du will be equal to minus cosine u plus c, which is c is the constant of the integral. So all you need to do is to substitute this parameter u with the definition of u, which is ln x. So that will be equal to minus cosine ln x plus c, and c is the constant of the integral. And that's the solution to your integral. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are interested, please feel free to subscribe to this channel so that you get updated when I upload new videos. Thank you.